In the narrations of the Prophet, peace be upon him, there is an account of 3 men who were tested, not through hardship alone, but through what they had once been deprived of, and later given back. It is authentically reported in Sahih al-Bukhari, and understood in classical explanation, including the works of Ibn Kathir. If you value authentic accounts presented clearly, subscribe for more. There were 3 men. Each one lived with a condition that defined his life. One was blind and unable to see. One had a severe skin condition that isolated him from people. And one had lost his hair and appearance, causing him distress in society. Each of them lived in a state of need and limitation. Then, Allah sent an angel to each of them in a form they could perceive. The purpose was not to punish them, but to test them through restoration. The angel came to the blind man and asked him what he would like most. He said he wished for his sight to be restored, so he could see people clearly. So his sight was restored. Then he was asked what he needed most beyond that. He asked for a strong animal to help him in life. So he was given a pregnant she-camel. The angel then went to the bald man. He asked him what he desired most. He wished for a full appearance and beauty. So his condition was restored. Then he was given a valuable cow, able to reproduce and bring wealth. Then the angel went to the man who had suffered from leprosy. He was asked the same question. He wished for his condition to be removed completely. So he was restored to full health. And he was given a sheep that would grow into a flock. Years passed. Each man's wealth grew. The animals multiplied. They went from need to abundance. And life became comfortable. Then, the same angel returned, this time in a different form. As a traveler in need. He went first to the blind man. He reminded him of his past condition and asked for help. The blind man acknowledged his past state and gave generously. So he was left with his wealth intact. Then, the angel went to the bald man. He asked the same. But the man denied what he had once been. He refused to give and forgot his origin. So his wealth was taken away. Then, the same happened with the leper. He also denied his past condition. And his wealth was removed. The blind man remained the only one who remembered. He acknowledged where he came from and what he had been given. So his wealth was preserved and increased. The test was never about wealth alone. It was about memory and gratitude. Whether a person remembers their past condition when they are given ease. What was taken from them was not only wealth, It was the truth of gratitude. Because blessings are not measured by what is given, but by what is remembered.